Hi guys, this is Rupal Gautam. How you all doing? Today actually I am reviewing a product called Bella Vita's Face Glow Pack and another product called Bella Vita's Nico Lips Lip Lightening Scrub Balm. So I'll talk about this product later. Let me tell you about this face pack. This face pack is suitable for all the skin types and it's really helpful. It is actually paraben free and does not have any chemical in it. It has natural ingredients like turmeric, Safed Chandan, and also it has Tulsi Patra and many other Ayurvedic herbs. So turmeric basically has anti-inflammatory properties, whereas the Rakt Chandan, Safed Chandan and the other Ayurvedic herbs has antibacterial properties and also help in strengthening of your skin and also gives the glow to your skin. Even after having the natural ingredients, before using the product, try to do a patch test on your inner elbow. So this patch test is necessary so that it helps you to know that you're not allergic to any of the the things that are present in this face pack. It has little sensation, that's completely okay. So if it does not causes any irritation, use it with a milk if you have a dry skin, or with the aloe vera gel or rose water if you have oily to normal skin. Use it for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it with water after massaging your skin, and you can get the glowing skin instantly. So the next product that I'm talking about is Bella Vita Organic Nico Lip Lightening Scrub Balm, which comes in a very cute little bag like this. Let me show you the product. So this is Nico Lips Lip Lightening Scrub Balm. The main ingredients of this lip balm is shea butter, olive oil, wax, wheat germ oil, creates vitamin E, carrot seed oil, beetroot extract and peppermint oil. So this product is really helpful in exfoliating your lips. It helps in lip lightening and it also helps in brighten lips in just 4 weeks. So how to use this product is very simple. Just scrub your lips with this product and massage in a circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes and then sit off, and you can get the effect immediately because this has shown a great effect on my lips. This is a unisex product and this is Asia's best selling product that you can go and check out on Bella Vita's organic website and can avail interesting discounts also. So both the product Face Glow Pack and Nico Lips Lip Balm is a unisex product. So you can go and check out and avail interesting offers. Let us know how did you feel this product, because I personally love these products.